Hey there, everybody. I hope that y'all are doing really great today. There's a little bit of sun here, and that certainly is a cheerful thing to see. I hope that all of you are well and happy. Guys, in the link in the description box below, you will see two GoFundMe's. One is for my uncle, Michael Sherrill, who is the founder of Mudtools in Batcave, North Carolina. His entire business was wiped out with Hurricane Helene. The other is for my cousin Micah, Sherril, who is an artist in the area, and he lost his studio and home. So I realize a lot is probably being kind of pushed everybody's way, but it would mean a lot if we could get a little help for my uncle and my cousin. Some of my family's going up this week to see if they can help, but they are hemmed in, and a couple of them have been airlifted out. But my uncle wants to stay put, so he can watch over his property. So that is where we are today. I've got a new journal. It's already listed in the shop, but it has a flaw. So I want to show that to you right away. When I was photographing this journal, I did not see this pull in this very old fabric. There's a pull. It is really hard to see unless you're under super bright light. But I have reduced this already to $30. So you pay $30 plus shipping for this rather extraordinary journal. I was kind of proud of it. And then I started photographing it, and I was like, nuts. But, stuff happens. And in the whole scheme of things, that pull is just not really that important, right? I did a triple bead strand on here. I had wanted to kind of experiment with this, so I did a triple bead strand, and I really do like the addition of these disco ball disco ball kind of beads on here. I thought they were really super cool. It is a very chunky journal. Let me see about her chunkiness, because I know that that's fun for us. She is 5 1/4, 5 inches, maybe 5 1/8 there. I really loaded her down. I had just finished making a lot of creative clusters, and I was just kind of drunk on the whole creative cluster thing. Let's just throw them all in here. Which it's great for y'all, but then it's like, I gotta make some more of those. So I don't want to mislead you in any way that this is a Christmas journal. It's really not a Christmas journal, okay? It's called Winter Wonderland, and that just really does refer to the cover. I thought it was a really pretty cover. Even the Brad is a snowflake, so coolness there. We start out with Jolly and Toast. Now these are Christmas-y kind of looking things. And then the first, of course, you've got 4 signatures. You've got 8 pockets of goodies to choose from. Each signature is chock full of paper as well as creative clusters. A lot of times I get like, well, what am I supposed to do with this paper? Well, dude, you're supposed to disassemble it and take it out and have fun with it. And then, by golly, you know what? You got 8 pockets in here, so you can stuff your creations back into the pockets. Ta-da! How much fun is that? I love this dragon page right here. I really love these glittery deer. When I was putting this together, and especially with this paper, I remembered that my mom always loved the glitter Christmas cards. And I was cleaning out a drawer the other day, and by golly, I ran across a stack of glitter Christmas cards that I was going to send her this year. We sent cards unseasonally. So in January, I would send her happy birthday, and her birthday wasn't until June 21st, and then I would say, first, wish you a happy birthday for the year. And then she would send me things like she would send me Valentine's cards at the first of the year. I'm first. And, yeah, I miss my mom a lot. Anyway, I like glitter cards. Do y'all like glitter cards? I think they're really pretty. This is a book board, and I did put a couple book boards in here. This is the Silent Hostess, and I forget what year it was, maybe 1930s or something like that. But it was a really super cool book board, and I thought you might be able to. You guys are so brilliant. I mean, you get these books, and then you write me and you tell me that they inspired you, that you enjoy them, that they kind of take you out of the miasma that we're living in right now. Some of you are working full-time jobs, and you're taking care of parents, and you tell me these creative journals mean a lot to you, as you have any sort of time to create. And the cool thing about these journals, y'all, is it's fast creation. Anything that is under a paper clip all goes together. You might have some fabric, you might have some torn images, you might have a napkin to do a little decoupage with, you might have a map image, but it's all going to go together. This one is Long Island, and you can see that this is a black and white photo of New York kitchen. So I thought that was really cool. And because this was all like anchors and sailing and stuff like that, I thought it would match really well with some super fun pirate-ish, piratey ephemera that Miss Crawford sent us. So your prompt here is happy, and you've got lots and lots of things to play with right here. This one says your home, and it is, I would love to go back to Italy. I just think it would be, going to Italy was the trip of a lifetime. This one says, ooh, out in the trees, I hear the breeze, and it's got stars. It's got an alien, it's got black and white imagery, old TV, old telephone. I would love to just go back. I'm kind of tired of technology. I do have a lot of respect for technology, especially at the moment, because technology has enabled people to contact fire departments, things like that, in these areas that are unreachable, and explain to people what these folks need. We got the need this morning for wheelchairs, so I passed that along to my relatives who are making regular trips to the area. And I was super shocked to find out that some people are just sightseeing. Please don't go to Western North Carolina to sightsee. If you want to go help, that's one thing. Please do not. Don't do that. You don't want to see what's up there. Another book board, When You Entertain, What to Do and How, by Ida Bailey Allen. I like that name. We've got brunch right here. This is some chicken ephemera that I pulled together. I love this. Somebody sent me a box from Florida, and it had this awesome, this was part of the box. I just thought that this was super cool. It says, greetings from Florida. Florida has had their own problems. Hi, everybody in Florida. Bless your hearts. And I hope that y'all are getting along good. There's Tennessee, friends in Tennessee. I'm always humbled by, I'm going to explain that when we get about this far in the book, I can't close the thing, so you'll see less creative clusters this way, in case you're a newbie over here. And then we've got, this is a butterfly bookmark that I made years ago, and I thought it turned out really, really well. I think I put one in the front too. Did I? I did. Woo, you got a bonus. You got one for you and one to give away. All right, guys. I have marked this to $30 because of that stupid pull right here. I'm not going to call it stupid. You know what? It is, it's a maker's mark. That's what it is. So this is $30, and shipping usually comes in like around 10. So I hope that you will pick it up and have fun with it, and that it will cheer you up and maybe kind of remove you from the wild, wild world that we are living in, my dear friends. Art is healing. Art is therapeutic. All right. I will talk to you soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye.